Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol COTY. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day in this one. Price action all over the place, and then you look down here, volume was well above average. And now that all the dust has settled, there's a couple of interesting areas from the technical point of view that I think a lot of people will be watching. So I don't want to come across like this is some sort of like great discoveries on my part. I'm sure that a lot of other traders that use charts and know how to use them, they're going to be watching these same levels. And I emphasize all that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with a couple of these levels. So the first area that a whole lot of people are going to be watching is going to be right down there at, let's see, what is that? $3.48. Nothing fancy, nothing complicated, other than the fact of that on two separate occasions, the price got down around there. And then, maybe some sort of double bottom is forming here. But that's a valid question. Is that guaranteed to happen? No. But is it a rational thought to have? Yeah, absolutely. Maybe some sort of double bottom is forming. Maybe something like that is taking shape. So that is where 348 is coming into play. But on the flip side of that, and this is also not guaranteed, but I mean, if the price were to come down there and not hold above it, break down through it, well, then at that point, it's a valid thought to have that. That could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure and, just create, the cascade to continue. But as of right now, moral of the story here, a lot of eyeballs going to be watching right around 348. Now, in the event the price does start to bounce, let's talk about a couple areas of resistance. First key area of resistance on any sort of attempted bounce right up there at 365. And then the overarching level, if the price can push up through there, would then be up there right around the 375 mark. So keep your eye on those levels going forward. But all in all, interesting movement. We'll see if the price can indeed get the double bottom bounce or if this is maybe just a little temporary pause before continuation. But Friday going to be very interesting. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.